what transpired here at FCI. Thank you so much. God will bless you. Um, this one that you just brought up, you remember in our last meeting, Mr. President, I asked the country director of UAG if it will be out of place that we explain to our people the way they explained it to us, so that they will know exactly what to do or what to expect. At least, in as much as they may also come up for more clarifications, I think it will not be out of place if you have an idea of what you're going to do by the time you receive SMS. And just as Mr. President have said it earlier, I want to let you know something. Some of you are running helter skelter, doing all sort of things because you did not receive email. If you are not careful, you will still end up running into wrong hand, giving them your hard-earned money, and they won't do anything for you. If you did not get email reply, or whichever way, there is no response to the email that you sent earlier, don't worry so much. Yes, but before that, I would also like to let you know, some of you sent the email, could not go back there to check if the email actually delivered or not. That's one. Some of you sent the email but did not send the contact phone number that they can reach out to you if need be. Some of you sent the email and maybe I don't know, but it was expected that you should also add your email properly in the email that you're sending. Some of you made mistakes in the email that they add in the application that they sent. Well, some of those are the reason why you did not get email response. But even if you didn't get an email response, not worry. Do not worry about that at all, because another plan has come up, and that plan came up because of your complaint. Yes, most of you complained vehemently about this issue of going to Abuja with your secretary. And also, so many who didn't complain took and took advantage of that and start collecting massive amounts of money from people because they want to transport themselves to Abuja. And to see how to settle some of these issues, the executives or the functionary members of UAG has put their heads together to come up with an idea that is to make things easy for you and for every one of us. So according to how it was explained to us, they have already developed a cloud, and that cloud app, that link, they are going to send you an SMS. Now look at how they told us it works. All the phone numbers that you have sent in when you were applying will automatically be synchronized into the cloud app, and by the time you get the SMS, the app will automatically send bulk SMS to all of you who have applied. Please, as I speak to you now, such SMS have not been sent. For those who will go running up and down tomorrow that they didn't receive SMS, or who will be calling that they have not received SMS, that app is going to send bulk SMS to all of you, all who have applied. And by the time you get the SMS, you will click on the link. Do not be afraid to click on the link. You click on the link will direct you to your browser. Then they'll open a page for you where you enter the information they require, the name of your NGO, your names, your phone number, and they they will next it to a page where they will require you to upload your CAC or the documents of your cooperative, ministry or NGO. You upload all of that, your ID card, your passport. They also next it to another page where they will request to know how many bundles you have. If you have a 20 bundles, once you enter the 20 bundles, the next page will give you 25 columns where you have to upload the bundles, each of them. You upload it according to how many of the bundles you have. According to what they told us, the app is very smart, and all this could be done within minutes. So you upload the bundles according to how many you have, and after you have uploaded the bundles, you also proceed to where they are going to show you the MOU, the terms and conditions for subscribing for this. You read and agree to the terms and conditions, and after you have done all of this, they also proceed you to another stage where you are going to either sign on a paper, depending on the device you're using. You can sign on a paper, scan it, and place it in the position crop it in the position where it's supposed to be. Or if you're using an iPad, you can sign through your phone, through your device. I think after doing these things, the next is that you submit your MOU online. And it did not end there. The app has so many beautiful features that you are going to enjoy. In fact, for the NGO owners or cooperative owners, I learned that this app has a provision where you can even use it to do your disbursement. Yes, you can edit that Excel, fixing the amount you want to disburse to these people, and you can, disburse to all your beneficiaries through the app. And even the app has the ability of giving you the statement of account of your disbursement, so that you can print them out and tender it as proof that you have disbursed your money. I learned that this app has a feature where it can be automatically synchronized with the API of your bank, and even though the money have dropped in your bank, through the app you can access it and disburse it to people. When you open the app, at some level the app is going to send an OTP to you. Sorry, I've emphasized this. The app is supposed to send an OTP to you. That's why your phone number is very important. Your phone number is important because through your phone number, that is where you're going to receive the OTP. By the time you have gotten this OTP or some code that the app will send to you, you key in the code into your device and the next page will open. With that, they will know, yes, you're the real owner of this particular NGO. No NGO will have the same phone number with another person's NGO. So I think this is what we all should be expecting to happen in no distant time from now, or any moment from now. And by the time you start seeing all of these things happening, just know that this is the disbursement we are talking about. And I want to believe that most people who are crying that they don't have transport to come to Abuja, security and all of that, I want to believe that with this, such issues has been trashed out. Mr. President, I think this is just the updates on the app, and I don't know if there is any further things you remember that I forgot to say. Mr. President, please, are you there?
Okay, thank you. I believe we have done justice to the clarification about the app. So what I want to add up here is that this app has been accepted on this process being the most easiest, efficient and effective tools to get this disbursement done within the shortest period of time. There will not going to be any form of excuses for NGO owner not to credit their subscribers or beneficiaries as they get their money within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, any NGO that does not start crediting their beneficiaries or subscribers, that NGO has already attracted red flag to itself, because everything has been made very easy for you. As soon as you have earlier said, as soon this app is being launched, know that disbursement has started. It is no longer a process. That is why everything has been perfectly designed and kept for this money to get into the appropriate account. Then this app will be launched. At the end of the day, you start disbursing the money. So I don't want anybody to see anything negative from this process. To us, if there is any during our meeting with the management, while they are lecturing us about this app, I think we find every host to hold on in order to find alternative, but we couldn't any, except any of you, we have something to come up against this process. But to us, we are already satisfied from the explanation they give to us, which Secretary General has narrated here. So on this note, I think I will pause my discussion now to see how we can hear from you people. If anything need to be said, subsequently I will come up. Thank you.